What a long weekend. What's going on, everybody? It's Stock Picks by Tim. I'm going to look at the overall market, see what's going on. We do have a nice green day pretty much across the board. Things are cooling down a little bit, but we are still up nice. We're just going to glance at the market, and I'm also going to go over VGX. I want to show you guys the chart and let you know what's been going on there. And I've also got a little something at the end for you. Now, if you don't mind, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, ring the notification bell. It definitely helps me out a lot. And let's first off go and look at TradingView's heat map. Yes, we are quite green today. Pretty much across the board, everything is relatively green. We've even got some large cap tech moving massively. We've got Tesla up 10.5% as of this upload. Nvidia's up almost 7%. AMD's up a nice 4%. We are definitely looking at a good day in the market. And as I look at some of my favorite names through my phone, we've got CleanSpark up 5%, Indy's up a little bit, ChargePoint breaking 1450, Bionanogenomics up 6%, Bitcoin up a nice 4%, and we're going to look at crypto here in a second. I actually wanted to show you Bitcoin on the chart. It is still following a trend. And just look at Bitcoin continue to fly ever since the 18th of June. We hit about 17,500, very close to that. And then after that, we just started bouncing and running since then. We are following this trend still. Keep an eye on this trend. Once we break it, it's very likely a lot of eyes are also watching this. So once we break it, it's very likely we come and test some lower levels. Come down, test 20. If we don't hold 20, we're going to come down, possibly test 1750. At the very least, probably test 1850. We might currently be looking at the bottom. Time will tell. All I know is that I still think Bitcoin is a great price, and I will continue to dollar cost average. But let me know what you guys are doing with Bitcoin down below. Has it ran up too much since it hit 1750? Are you just avoiding it? Are you waiting for some lower levels? Let me know what your thoughts are. Where are you at on Bitcoin? And we've got quite a similar story for VGX. We had the bottom hit right around the 18th of June. And we just started running since then. We're sitting at about 60 cents. Now, I wanted to zoom out just a little bit and kind of give you a timeline here. So we had this base established towards the end of February, this $1.30 or so. Once we did break that, we tried to come back up. It became a resistance. We just started falling further. And I did start picking this up again right at about 75 cents, 80 cents. I did expect it to potentially start holding there. We had a very short-term spike and it came back up to that resistance right around $1.30. Just started falling, and now we're actually lower than our previous low here at 58 cents. And it does seem we're right here finding it as a possible resistance. So keep an eye on that. We do need to break about 60 cents before we can push higher. Now, what am I doing with VGX? I'm continuing to DCA, and that's my strategy. And if you don't yet have Voyager, and if you're curious about VGX, I have a link for you down below. And you'll actually get $50 in Bitcoin if you put in 100 on Voyager's platform. And it definitely helps me out because it gives me $50 in VGX. But you'll be getting $50 in Bitcoin for putting in 100. That's an instant 50% gain. So definitely check it out in the description below. They have been rolling out a lot of updates lately for Voyager. They're working towards having individual wallets. Soon we're going to have NFT support and also stock trading on Voyager's platform. Now, one thing I wanted to show you guys here before I go is looking at CoinMarketCap. You'll see that the global crypto market cap is sitting right under $1 trillion, only about 57 billion away. We have been on a nice rise lately, and I actually got something to show you regarding Solana. It's actually up 8.5% today, 22% in the last week. And I'll leave you guys a link down below to this article. But scrolling down towards the bottom here, we've got this guy called Brian Long. It looks like he's tracking the confirmation times on the Validators app, and he's seeing under 1 second confirmation with their new version that they rolled out. So it looks like Solana's definitely been upgrading itself behind the scenes, and this could be contributing to that nice spike in price. But let me know what you guys are doing. Do you have any Solana? Let me know in the comments below. But that's all I got for you guys. Just a quick update, what I've been doing lately on VGX, what I've been doing for Bitcoin, and I am keeping a close eye on Solana. So thanks as always guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.